Ace Your Studies, the ultimate guide to epic learning adventures. Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime, mastering the art of effective study. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to unlock your true learning potential. Part 1. Unraveling the Mysteries of Effective Study. 1.1. The Magical Science of Learning. Prepare to be dazzled by the secrets of how your brain learns best. Discover mind-blowing insights into memory and learning techniques straight from the science lab. 1.2. Quest for Motivation and Goals. Gear up for a quest to slay the dragons of procrastination. Equip yourself with the mighty sword of SMART goals to conquer your academic quests. Part 2. Crafting Your Study Sanctuary. 2.1. Design your study dungeon. Transform your study space into a fortress of focus and concentration. Learn the ancient art of Feng Shui for scholars and banish distractions to the shadow realm. 2.2. Time Mastery Magic. Unleash the power of time turners. Sorry, no actual time turners available. To bend time to your will. Harness the forces of the Pomodoro technique and watch as hours shrink and tasks disappear. Part 3. Unleashing your study superpowers. 3.1. Active learning adventures. Brace yourself for an epic battle against the forces of boredom with the power of active learning. Master the art of wielding knowledge swords like summarization, concept mapping, and teaching spells. 3.2. Reading and note-taking. Ninja skills. Sharpen your ninja senses and dive into the heart of text with active reading techniques. Unlock the secrets of ninja note-taking methods and leave no concept unscathed. 3.3. Practice makes perfect heroes. Train like a hero in the halls of Valhalla with the power of practice and application. Face off against mighty foes with problem-solving and application exercises as your trusty sidekicks. Part 4. Memory Mastery Magic. 4.1. Mnemonics and Memory Mayhem. Join the League of Memory Wizards and wield the ancient spells of mnemonics. Dive into the cauldron of memory tricks and emerge with knowledge, gems sparkling in your mind. 4.2. Spaced Repetition Sorcery. Unleash the magic of spaced repetition and watch as knowledge blooms like flowers in spring. Embrace the power of retrieval practice and banish forgetfulness to the dark abyss. Part 5. Conquering challenges and building resilience. 5.1. Defeating the procrastination monster. Gear up for an epic showdown against the procrastination monster. Arm yourself with strategies to slay the beast and emerge victorious on your academic quest. 5.2. Battling stress and anxiety. Beasts. The stormy seas of stress and anxiety with courage and resilience. Forge alliances with self-care warriors and seek refuge in the sanctuary of support when the going gets tough. Congratulations, brave adventurer, on completing your quest for epic learning adventures. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continue to hone your skills and embark on new quests to unlock even greater knowledge treasures.